of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Harold. Harold has been trading with us from December the 7th, 2020 up until this present date, 9th of April 2021. Harold has achieved a daily rate of 0.07% with a monthly drawdown of 5.50, which is still acceptable within the 10% of the risk parameters of the FTP account. Um, Looking at the steady growth of Harold's account, we can see he was down by 1.38% in December. Then January had a drawdown 0.46%. Then in February we had minus 1.29%, and on the 19th as well, 0.79 and 0.11%. And as we get into the later months of the year, we can see Harold has maintained a positive deficit. So basically, he is down, but in positive territory. He's only lost a bit of his profit and not in the negative. So this is a very big improvement and very consistent, as well as preserving the balance, which is what we want from all our traders. Looking down at the advanced statistics, Harold has traded 191 times and his profitability rate is 76%. The reason why it's that high is because Harold has won 145 trades out of a total of 191 and lost only 46 out of 191, which represents 24%. So Harold is clearly having very low risk trades and high rewards. Take profits. So this is what is reflecting on these high percentage gain. And as we can see, how did Harold achieve this? So we're going to look at the summary of what pairs Harold traded and what gave him the most pips. Looking at the summary of trades, Harold has traded quite a significant number of pairs to get his first 10%. But we can see Harold has actually diversified as well between cross pairs, yen pairs, pound pairs, and a few dollar pairs. Harold was not really consistent on the on the Swiss franc yen, and he wasn't really successful on the euro CAD. But majority of his profits came from the pound US dollar, because the pound US dollar he made a total of 204.9 pips, and he was much more successful on the short side of the trade, where he won 17 trades. Looking at all the other pairs, we can see the Aussie CAD, he had 100% strike rate. The Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, he had 100% as well. Same thing with the CAD Swiss franc, and same thing with the CAD yen. Coming down to Euro yen, 100%, pound yen, 100%, New Zealand dollar CAD, 100%. So, and the pound US dollar, where he made his most pips, he had 96%. So these are very good consistent statistics with diversification. And it shows us that Harold is a very good risk manager as well. If I was to make any recommendations or any tips, I'll say stick to the pairs where you're really prolific, where you've achieved 100% win rate, and try and discard pairs that are not giving you profit. Your system clearly works, so I'll say less is more. Always find a way to improve on your trades. And a few suggestions I could make is understanding the market conditions properly, look out for news announcements and fundamentals. Always try and have that psychological edge. So by that, what I mean by that is trading what you see. Always use a stop loss and trade with no emotions. Don't be emotionally attached to your trade. So coming down, let's have a look at some of your trades, and let's look at the month of statistic in terms of percentage gains from when you started. Harold started, as I mentioned, in December 2020. He achieved 1.94% overall. Coming into January, 2.61%. In February, he was down by minus 2.26%. March, he was up by 1.61%. And in April, 5.88%, where he made his total on aggregate 10%, which is very good. Looking at the 194 trades, we're just going to have a quick snip through and look at what you've been trading. As we can see you've been trading the pound, euro pound pairs, and as we said, a few yen pairs. But one key observation, as I always tell traders, always trade with a stop loss. Trading without a stop loss is very dangerous and it exposes you to uncertainty, unnecessary risk, and a good position can go really bad and let you hit your drawdown. So please try and avoid trading without stop loss. When you get to the six-figure level and the levels 5 and 6, it will be more important to incorporate this discipline because this is the difference between success and failure, risk management. So incorporating a stop loss will definitely improve your results, minimize your risk, and also give you the advantage to take more control of your trades. So other than that, this is very good and congratulations on your achievement. I also recommend you read psychology books like Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone, maybe management books as well that you can find on YouTube, and also join the AudaCity community app if you're not part of that, where you see like-minded traders where you can share ideas, get inspiration, and more importantly, have people hold you accountable for your actions because trading should be fun. Trading should be interesting. It should be a sport. The more you put into your trading, the more you're going to get out of it. And I'm pretty much confident you're going to be able to go on to the next level. So like I said, always analyze your fundamentals, choose a time frame that suits your trading style, stick to liquid pairs and pairs that suit your trading style, and make sure you're in the right mindset, and more importantly, trade with a stop loss and never chase the market. So Harold, that's a well good achievement and congratulations on hitting your 10%. You're now going on to the next level. After your 10%, you have to get to 60,000. From 60,000 you're on to 120,000. I wish you all the best, Harold, and I look forward to reviewing your account in the future.